Unit 3 Banking. The objective of this unit is to make students aware of the purpose and function of banks. This unit focuses on importance and purpose of banks, the various functions performed by banks. बैंक क्या है? यह एक ऐसा स्थान है जहां लोग अपनी बचत को जमा कर सकते हैं ताकि जरूरत पड़ने पर वे उन पैसों को निकाल सकें। इसके अलावा जिन लोगों को अपने व्यक्तिगत या व्यावसायिक उद्देश्य के लिए पैसों की आवश्यकता होती है, वे भी बैंक से ऋण प्राप्त करते हैं। इसलिए एक ऐसा संस्थान जिसे सरकार ने पैसे जमा करने और लोगों को ऋण प्रदान करने के लिए लाइसेंस दिया होता है, बैंक कहलाता है। Evolution of money. The limitations of the barter system led to the evolution of money. As you may be aware, gold coins were used as a mode of currency in ancient India. Similarly, different regions in the world have been using other precious, semi-precious products as a unit of trade. For example, the ancient Aztecs used beans as a trade currency, and Norwegians used butter. Similarly, US colonists used tobacco leaves and animal hides as a form of currency. Gradually, however, as human civilization progressed, coins and currency notes came into circulation. In fact, the development of currency has been representative of the development level of an economy across ages. The earliest coins were made in the kingdom of Lydia, now in Turkey, in the 7th century BC. The use of coins spread rapidly across the world from Lydia to the Africa and Europe. The transition to paper currency is said to have occurred in China during the 10th century. In ancient India too, metal coins came into circulation around the 6th century BC. Paper currency is said to have been introduced in India by the Mughals in the year 1236 AD. Origins of banking. In ancient human history, banking is said to have started in the temples and palaces of Babylonia even before 2000 BC. Ancient Greeks too developed a system of transferring money in the form of book entries. Banking in India started in a major way in the form of the Imperial Bank of India in 1921. This was later renamed as the State Bank of India, SBI, in 1955. भारत में बैंकों के अनेकों प्रकार हो सकते हैं, लेकिन भारत के बैंकों को प्रमुख तौर पर 5 भागों में विभाजित किया जा सकता है। सेंट्रल बैंक, कमर्शियल बैंक, डेवलपमेंट बैंक, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक, स्पेशलाइज्ड बैंक। Central Bank. The central bank is an extremely important institution in the financial system of any country. In India, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, plays the role of the central bank. It is responsible for the overall management of the nation's currency to ensure an adequate supply of genuine notes. As the central bank, RBI also performs various other important functions such as acting as a banker to the government and implementing monetary policies for the country. Commercial banks. These include public sector banks owned by the government and also the private banks. Commercial banks provide a direct interface to the people, allowing them to open and manage accounts, to obtain loans and other financial services. निम्नलिखित दस्तावेज जमा करके किसी व्यक्ति के नाम पर अकेले या परिवार के किसी सदस्य के साथ संयुक्त रूप से बैंक खाता खोला जा सकता है। पासपोर्ट आकार के फोटो, आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ, पते का प्रमाण, खुलने की राशि। एक बार खाता खोलने के बाद बैंक खाता धारक को एक खाता प्रदान करता है। खाता संचालित करने के लिए नंबर और चेक बुक, मोबाइल बैंकिंग सुविधा आदि आए। बैंक के खाते 4 प्रकार 4 टाइप्स के होते हैं। 1. चालू खाता करंट अकाउंट, 2. बचत खाता सेविंग्स अकाउंट, 3. आवर्ती जमा खाता रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट अकाउंट, 4. Savdhi Jama Khata Fixed Deposit Account. Check an instrument of exchange. Checks have been the most popular instrument for money transfer for many decades. Although today more and more people are using the option of online banking, yet checks continue to remain at the very core of the banking industry. Let us understand through a simple example of how checks work. Let us suppose that you have 25,000 rupees in your bank account in Bank A. You wish to pay 5,000 rupees to Ajay using a check. 1. You issue a check of 5,000 rupees to Ajay using the Bank A checkbook. 2. Ajay deposits the check in his bank, say Bank B. 3. Bank B sends the check to Bank A. 4. Bank A sends the amount of 5,000 rupees to Bank B after confirming the check. Details. 5. 5,000 rupees is now deposited to Ajay's account in Bank B. 6. 5,000 rupees is reduced from your account in Bank A. Each check contains some key elements, which include name and signature of the person making the payment, account holder, name of the person who will receive the payment, date on or after which the check is valid,